Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're here this weekend at the Newark Kit Car Festival. So that's the 22nd and 23rd of July. And we can give you a little bit of a sneak preview of what's going to go on. This is Friday night, so a setup night. So first off, here is the very first 7-spot live chat area. Look at this, it's even got my name on it. I've even got a t-shirt on, it's fantastic. So we're going to be interviewing manufacturers all over the weekend. And we're also going to be talking to the magazines and see what they think about the kit car market at the moment. So it's going to be really great. So please do come along and see who we're talking to. Next up, we've got Hambly. Now, these are the guys. Derek Hambly is really good at looking after GTM coupe owners. And he's got one of his race car here, which I believe he actually races himself. So this is a really nice bit of kit. So Derek will be here all weekend. And then over here, we've got the WR3 V-Strom from DJC Sports Cars. Really nice engineered piece of kit this, and hopefully we'll get to chat to Dan over the weekend about his car here. So then we're going to swing around this way. And then here we have GBS, well known for their Zero car. Some really nice engineered bits of kit, and Richard's actually given me a little bit of an insight on some other little bits actually in aviation that he's been working on. So if you're at the show this weekend, Richard said he'll come along and talk to us. So hopefully you'll be able to find a little bit more out about that. Now we're going to go this way, swing around quickly. In the corner, we've got Turismo. They've got a couple of their cars here. One close to us, no, they both are. They're both the MR2 base car, but they also do a Porsche-based GT3 replica as well. I think these are really nice looking cars, actually. These guys weren't at Malvern, so hopefully we're going to have a chat with them. And then over here, all covered up, is the Total Kit Car stand. That, of course, is legendary Steve Hull. He's going to join us for a chat over the weekend. Now, we are on an old RAF base, and we've got a plane going over the top, so hopefully you can hear me. So we'll come along here a bit further. Who have we got first? We've got Mev. Now, if you saw our video from Malvern, you will know that they've got their new RX-8 base car, which is absolutely fantastic. Great linear power. And they've also got some of their MX-5 base cars here as well. So Stuart said he'll come along and have a chat with us, so that's going to be really good. Oh, and just one thing to mention, that we are going to video these chats, so if you can't make the show, you can see them online afterwards, or we upload them over the next couple of weeks. And then opposite Mev, we've got AK, and again they've got their glorious GT40, which has recently been IVA'd. They were at Malvern looking for a colour for this car, and so, they've got a colour. Obviously there's a colour on it, but they were looking for a name for this colour, so we're going to catch up with John over the weekend, see if he's got a name for the colour. And obviously they've got their Cobra replicas here as well. Then along to XCS, and they've got their Dieci 7 style car, which you can see has got 4-wheel drive. That is a really nice, interesting bit of kit. Obviously we've had cars like that in the past, but this is really nicely engineered. And also, they've obviously got their 427 replicas. And in the background, you've got the long body version with the wider doors and the deeper footwell. So, where should we go next? Let's go to Westfield. No, we're going to go to MK because I can't see where I'm going. So, they've got 4 of their cars on the stand. One of them they've got up for sale, at least. And they've also got their RX-5 Honda engine car as well. So we're going to move down this way a little bit because we've got a bit of noise in the background here. Oh, we can swing around quickly. Sorry guys, this way. And this is MacG Racing. Now you may not have heard of them, but they re-engineer a lot of cars, and this one here you'll recognise as being fundamentally an Ultima, but they've done an awful lot of re-engineering on this. So we're hoping to catch up with these guys over the weekend for a chat and an interview, and we'll be uploading that. So we're almost at the end of the haul for the manufacturers. So Westfield are here, with Chesil as well. So they got their 7 demonstrator, and they've obviously got their speedster here as well, and it looks like they've got space for other cars, so I think there's going to be more cars here as well. And then we will swing round, because last but not least on the manufacturer side is Hawk, and I am sure we're going to get Jerry Hawkridge along for a chat tomorrow. And if anybody has seen the chat I did with him at Malvern, you will know that he's going to be absolutely fantastic. So he's got 3 cars here, 2 Stratos, 1 Cobra, with a very interesting helmet bulge, I imagine, in the back. I've never seen one of them before. And then right down the end of the hall, we've got Complete Kit Car magazine, and Adam has said he'll come along for a chat with us as well. So hope you enjoyed that quick whiz round. We will be here at 7 Spot all weekend, but if you want to keep track of what we're up to, it'd be really good if you could click that like and subscribe. In the meantime, take care and hope to see you over the weekend.